How you doing, traders? Taking a look at Roblox, ticker RBLX. Here's our call flow from black box stocks. You can see we have ask and above ask on the 140s for this week. Taking a look at the chart, here's our daily chart. We have a 5-wave impulse move off of the break of our falling wedge. We are in our wave 4, potentially in our wave 5. So keep a close eye on that. And then looking at our 30-minute chart, we did break our symmetrical wedge with a 3-dot TTM squeeze to the upside. Watch for a break over 130.77. That's our 618 Fibonacci retracement level. Targets above are 135, 141, and 149. I am the Pup of Wall Street. You can catch me on Twitter all day. Trade alerts, news, flow.